Hello my amazing people, welcome back again to my channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, according to your time, according to your location. I greet the house, I greet everybody, I greet papa and mama. Welcome back to our channel, Commenters Analyzer TV. I greet everybody. My people, we don't carry another to reward come again. Who we want to talk about today? Before we go direct to our story of today, is just a short video, so let me apologize to my subscribers. For those of una wey subscribe to me when they wait for my video for more than 1 week now or 2 weeks, whenever see my video, I am so sorry. I can't dey very busy for my other channel. Now I make am. So my amazing people, now mona bear with me. I was so very busy before. Now I don't come back again. I go dey drop on small and mona bear with me. So my amazing people, wetin make me dey here today na about many things. Make me dey here. We'll talk about korra, we'll talk about KO family, Vera, and this lady when talk about korra where she never say bad thing about korra. She only do her thing, and at the end of the day, I see her video this morning. She say korra give her strike. Anyway, not be korra fault say korra go dey give strike. Everybody, most of us when don dey carry korra video, we don use korra video take make money. Not be me, I no dey among go here. I no use korra video take make any money, and I no to carry korra video. Now see this my channel, I just dey try to build am, and my other channel, and nothing like korra dey that channel, because na saga channel. So my people, wetin make me talk and say make we no too vex for korra, na because some people can't go dey claim korra video, which is KO family, when go claim korra video, when make korra converse man big go dey create content when not be your own. KO family, my dear sister, you not do am well for you to go claim content when not be your own, video when not be your own. Say after the person when get the video don't use am make money finish. If other blogger carry the video, say now you go dey receive the income. That is very bad of you. For you to do something like that, it dey very bad. You don't make so many people open page because of this korra of a thing, korra video. So many people they get money till they eat. No be say they no fit dey eat before. Most people they eat before, but maybe their income can dey increase because of korra video. Because even though when thousands of people carry korra video, if you still come go carry am, depends of your channel, people must still go there go watch the video. But you just make everybody when they carry korra video, you just make them lost everything because of your greediness. I call that one greedy, because content will not be your own. Person not dey touch your thing, but the one will not be your thing. Wey be say you still dey thief and dey blog. The woman no dey talk, the girl no dey talk. She no dey say don't touch my content, say I dey use am take care of my family. No, you carry the content, you go put copyright, you go claim the content. Say if any blogger carry am again, now you go dey receive income. Abi no be so you do am. That is greediness. Wetin no be your own. You put sand for other people food, where people for the seafood they eat, you put sand. So my sister, wetin you do no good. You don't make korra. People when fight for korra for good now. Korra don't they give all of their strike they go. Some people open korra lovers, korra fans page. Now, no more korra lovers, no more korra fans page. You make everything, you don't close everything for people. It's very bad, very, very bad. You not doing well at all, my sister. Because you know fit because of one person, everything, everywhere when people for the see small thing they chop, you don't close everywhere for them. Yes, my love. Some amazing people. Wetin we get to tell korra? No, not we, me. Wetin I get to tell korra say please for that our sister because she don come out for social media for Facebook since say you give her strike. Please korra, consider her beg. May you take comot the strike because that lady really fight for you. Me even think say she dey talk to you the way when she take chest your matter. She chest your matter like she was there for you. So you know say many people they love you but they don't feel like calling you. They know they call you but they love you, that they fight for you. Giving her strike e not too good, but I know say the video na your own video, but please consider us. Consider the way they carry your video. Not be me, I know they carry your video. Consider the way they carry your video, abeg. For the KO family, you see wetin you cause. I hear say you and Vera una dey drag body dey go court now. Now KO family, I be wetin they call her. Now she cause all this kata. I no get issue with you, but you know if you carry person video, you know if you carry person content, may you go kramer. Video wey not be your own, you just carry and you go kramer, which is very bad. It dey very bad. Say you carry somebody content, you can't go kramer as your own. Say anybody want make money from that content apart from the owner of the content maker. Say anybody want make money from the content, say the money go dey come to you and that person go dey share around. It dey very bad. That is greediness. It dey very bad. You don't comot food for so many bloggers. Because I know say many bloggers they carry korra video. So many people say don't come out. Greedy people. Our greedy bloggers, so they don't fair they carry for one channel. So don't even come out again. Korra lovers. You enter YouTube now, you see korra lovers. Korra this one. Korra this one. Oh my God, it's too much. It's too much. Why korra sef no go vex? Why korra no go vex? After wetin KO family do, say e claim her content. If they drag KO family now, if they drive Vera go court. I wish korra be like person like you. You know say she for still drive you go court. She for still drive you go court. This matter when they drive, take they drive korra Vera go court now. Now matter when people don't they talk before, which I don't know the matter. They are not they interested to know that kind of matter. Now so they do this one, now so they do this one. You know Vera wahala. Vera, may you still rest for the matter. I tell God beg you, may you still rest for matter. Small, this life, if you talk put for person matters more, you remove maths. Saga will carry on and go where una not supposed to go. All the name of saga. It dey very bad. It dey very bad. Some amazing people, more not fair to drop una comments of wetin una think about this video. Wetin me, everything where I come here come talk, say wetin I just get interest. Make korra consider that lady. I don't remember her name. When fight for her, because this morning she come and say korra give her strike. So because that lady really try for korra, as in she really fight for korra well. When she dey fight for korra, me even think say maybe this woman with korra they talk not knowing say two of them no even dey talk at all. Abeg, that lady really fight for you with her good mind. Even though she use and get view. Some people they use your content, as in your video they get view, they still they talk evil about you. So my sister, that lady, she really try for you, as in she fight for you as person say they fight for person. Please consider her. May you take remove that copyright from Abi strike or whatever. Comot am for her video before 7 days. I don't know how many days when YouTube they Facebook they give. Because the lady, I see her as a person. Now KO family, now I cause this one. Some amazing people, I'll leave una. It's just a short video. Now we are back, and we are back in full time. Will they drop us small? we no go dey play anybody video again. Una see now say strike don dey take over everywhere. So my amazing people, I'll leave now here today. Please don't fail to drop your opinion of what you think. I know say some people will say yes, korra do am well. Some people go say yes, korra do am well when they give the strike, say they are all too much. Everybody na korra video. Yes, everybody they say and say everybody na korra video. Because wetin me think, wetin made that they carry korra video, everybody come dey blog korra video, because korra video really they give you when you make sure you never you never put am finish say korra, you just say that alone, you never put ra join am. You see people, you they see crowd they come. Please korra, you be big fish, people they can't take small from not just reason I say not only you want to enjoy your fish or your egg when you lay. People they when want take small now may God they bless you. I beg, please revise that strike when you want start to they give everybody. Now may God they bless you. You see, as people they blog your video reach, you still they get your view. People blogging your video not make you say you not get your view. Wetin you will need to address, tell them say may anybody not try and carry go they claim your video, because you not use their power take do am. The insult when people they insult korra, no be una they help korra they receive am. So as she leave una as she leave us more, I they add myself join am, because I still they block people video. So as she leave us more, still they blog her video. For me, I know they block korra video. No be say korra na my enemy. I love korra so much. I know they blog her video because the video no favor me. Korra video no favor me. So I know they blog her. So as korra leave us more, they blog her video. More na do in a respectful way. Not be say una go they claim copyrights or go they claim ownership of land. Now people like una they carry people land up and down for Nigeria. Land like something when not be your own, you go they claim man to be your own. Because of one person, they banned thousands of people, more than hundreds of people. When they block korra video, now they cannot block korra video because of one person, because of one greedy person. Even because of this same one person, those that fight for korra, now korra they give them strike up and down because of one person. That is so bad. Some amazing people, I will drop this video. I will end the video here. God bless you. Please don't fail to drop your comments of what you think about this my little words. God bless una. I love una for una love and una support. Stay blessed.